Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel MUC Smart Learning. Today subject is marginal costing. Before going to subject, I am remembering to you, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notification. Now I move on to my subject, that is marginal costing. So here in a marginal costing, first we have to go through how the contribution can find out. Then next we go through the profit, then PV ratio, that is profit volume ratio can be calculated, and then break even point, that is BEP, break even point or break even sales. So the last one is MOS, that is margin of safety. We can go through in a marginal costing. So here question is there. So that is WAGI Limited presents the following results for 1 year. Calculate, that is contribution, profit, PV ratio, break even point and margin of safety. So here have a detail: sales 2 lakh rupees, variable cost 1,20,000, fixed cost 50,000 rupees. In certain questions for variable cost they simply given like VC, that is variable cost, and for the fixed cost also they given like FC, that is nothing but fixed cost. So the students must understand this. So here now we go through the solution part. So first we have to create a marginal cost statement. So this statement help you to find out the contribution and profit. So now how we get? So here particular, then here rupees. So now we go through. So first we have to take the sales, that is 2 lakh rupees, then deduct it, that is a variable cost, with the sales, that is 1,20,000. In the question itself they given, if you deduct you may get 80,000. So this 80,000 is nothing but contribution. So the first answer we got it, and now we go through the further, that is, so deduct the fixed cost from the contribution, that is 50,000 fixed cost. In the question itself they given, so that is if you deduct with these you may get 30,000. so this is the profit. So now we got the second answer also, profit. So now move on to the third one, that is PV ratio. So that is PV, that is profit volume ratio. Here you may have a remember of certain formula for PV ratio, that is contribution divided by sales into 100. So this is the formula, contribution divided by sales into 100. So here contribution we find it out here itself. So we got 80,000 a contribution. So use the formula, 80,000 divided by sales. So sales here in the question itself they given 2 lakh rupees. So we have to use the same 2 lakh rupees into 100 as it is. So now simplify, we may get a 40%. So 40% is the PV ratio. So now we go through the fourth one, that is break even point or break even sales. That is the D, break even point or break even sales. So for these also we have a certain formula. So that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So here this is the break even point formula, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So now we have to solve this formula. So fixed cost, so in the question itself they given a fixed cost 50,000. We have to use the same 50,000 as a fixed cost, and then PV ratio we found here, so use the same 40%, or we can write like this, that is 50,000 divided by 40 into 100, or like we can write like this, 50,000 divided by 0.4. so we may get the answer, that is 1,25,000. So this is the break even sales or break even point after using the formula, that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost in the question itself they given 50,000 and divided by PV ratio we found here. So same, use that. If you calculate these you may get 1,25,000. So this is a break even sales or break even point. So now we move on to the last answer, that is E, that is margin of safety. Nothing but it's a margin of safety. For this also you have a certain formula, that is sales minus break even point or break even sales. So this is the formula for margin of safety. So sales, here in the question itself they given 2 lakh rupees, so we have to use the same 2 lakh minus, that is deduct with break even point. So break even point we found here, that is 1,25,000. so sales deducted with break even point, that is 2 lakh deducted with 1,25,000. so if you deduct these things you may get the amount of 75,000. so this is the margin of safety. So here for margin of safety another formula also is there, so that is profit divided by PV ratio. So profit divided by PV ratio, this is the another formula for margin of safety. So profit, here we find it out in the second, that is 30,000. so we use this 30,000 divided by PV ratio. so here we found the 40%, so use a 40%. so if you calculate these things you may get the same amount of 45,000. so you can use this formula or you can use this formula. so here all the things we finish find out. so here first we find contribution, profit, then profit volume ratio, break even point and margin of safety. so here we complete this, we solve this problem. so I hope you understand the problem. so please notify our channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon. So we will meet the soon for the next problem. Thank you.